Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Oral swab test may boost IVF success and reduce side effects. Study finds a simple genetic test could significantly improve the success rate of in vitro fertilization (IVF) while reducing the risk of side effects from hormone therapy, according to a new study published in Frontiers in Endocrinology. Researchers from Lund University, Sweden, found that matching hormone treatment to a woman's genetic profile led to a 38% increase in the number of babies born through IVF, offering new hope for couples facing infertility. Current IVF treatments rely heavily on hormone therapy to stimulate egg maturation, an approach that carries risks. Up to 75% of IVF attempts fail, and around 20% of women experience side effects, some severe enough to require emergency care. To personalize treatment and improve outcomes, the researchers analyzed data from 1,466 women undergoing IVF at Skene University Hospital in Malmö. Women with endometriosis or polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) were excluded. The team focused on variations in the FSH receptor (FSHR) gene, which influences how the body responds to follicle-stimulating hormone, a key player in egg maturation. The study revealed that women with a specific FSHR gene variant responded better to biological hormone treatments, while others benefited more from synthetic alternatives. Tailoring hormone therapy to a woman's genetic makeup resulted in significantly higher pregnancy rates. To make this approach practical and cost-effective, the team developed a simple oral swab test that determines the most suitable hormone treatment within an hour. The result is visible to the naked eye as a pink or yellow color. The test is expected to be commercially available by early 2026. We see an increase in the number of pregnancies and a relative number of 38% more babies born among women who received hormone therapy that matched their gene variation compared with those who did not. This means that for every 1,000 women undergoing IVF treatment, the equivalent of 4 more school classes are born, 110 more babies, says Eva Lundberg-Giverkman, professor at Lund University who led the research. She has been researching fertility in both men and women for many years. Researchers hope the test will improve IVF outcomes, reduce healthcare costs, and spare women unnecessary physical and emotional strain. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.